What's up guys, this is Louie, and today we're taking a look at the new Snapchat feature that just came out called Explore. So what it says here is, welcome to Explore. We've made it easier for you to see what's happening on the map. So basically what Explore does is you can scroll through here and see what people are up to. Like where they're going, where they've been. So pretty much here, my friend added to their story at St. Norbert College. Friend flew from Denver, Colorado to Fort Snelling, Minnesota. Friend traveled from Miami, Florida to St. Louis, Missouri. And friend drove from Winnipeg, Manitoba to St. Paul, Minnesota. So they crossed from Canada there. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, you just tap on the little compass there to activate it, and you can start doing that. Kind of stalkerish, if I'm being honest, but you can obviously turn that off through your control things, whatever you have in here. So that's pretty useful. I know you can also do the custom, who can see what. So that's Snapchat Explore. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Feel free to add me on Snapchat as well. This is my Snap code, and I'll leave that for a bit. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.